listen to this book read aloud. You will have your copy in front of you, and you are following along as I read. So you're listening and following along in your book. Point to the title. Let's read it together. Life in a Rainforest. Turn the page. Turn the page again. Here we have the table of contents. What are rainforests? Rainforest animals. Rainforest plants. Living together. Glossary. Read more. Internet sites. Index word list. Turn the page. Finger on the subheading. Reading in 3, 2, 1. What are rainforests? A rainforest is a large area of land covered with trees and plants. Rain falls almost every day in a rainforest. Look at the illustration, the picture of a rainforest. Turn the page. Rainforests grow near the equator. They also grow along some sea coasts. Here you see a photo of a rainforest by some water. This is the sea coast. Turn the page. Point to the subheading. Reading in 3, 2, 1. Rainforest animals. Snakes hunt in rainforest trees. They also slither across the rainforest floor. Here's a picture of a snake wrapped around this branch. Turn the page. Point to the word tree. Reading in 3, 2, 1. Tree frogs hop onto tree branches. They eat insects. Many tree frogs are bright colors. Here you see the tree frog with many bright colors. Turn the page. Point to the first word, apes. Reading in 3, 2, 1. Apes swing from vines high in the rainforest canopy. You see the ape, and he's hanging on to the vines. He's probably trying to swing. Turn the page. Finger on the subheading. 3, 2, 1. Rainforest plants. Tall trees keep the rain from soaking into the ground. The tops of tall trees form the rainforest canopy. Here you see the very tall trees, and they are the canopy. Turn the page. Point to the word figs. Reading in 3, 2, 1. Figs grow on fig trees in rainforests. Birds and monkeys eat figs. Here you see figs. These little fruits are figs. Turn the page. Point to the word ferns. Reading in 3, 2, 1. Ferns grow on the forest floor in the canopy's shade. Ferns have many narrow leaves. This is a photo of ferns, and this is the forest floor. Turn the page. Point to the subheading, reading in 3, 2, 1. Living together. Rainforest animals live in the trees or on the ground. Many plants grow in rainforests. Rainforests are full of life. Okay, we have finished reading the book. You can now go ahead, return the iPad and the headphones, and you can read the book on your own. Okay, go.